The Electoral Commission has resolved that biometric voter verification will be mandatory at all polling stations during the upcoming 2026 general elections. According to the Acting Secretary of the Commission, Mr. Kamugisha Richard Baabo, the measure is intended to enhance transparency, curb voter fraud, and ensure smooth running of the electoral process.
Important for the country to understand now the kind of election we are going to organize, where we shall be using mandatory verification of voters during polling. No voter who is not positively verified using the biometric verification system will be allowed to vote.
A total of 109,000 verification kits have been procured by the Electoral Commission, and they will be used at every polling station for biometric voter verification.
Over 109,000 verification tablets, which will be used on polling day. Each polling station will be issued with 2 verification kits, and voters will be verified using the biometric fingerprints biometrically. Those who fail to be identified using fingerprints, for example, persons whose fingerprints have been worn out by one reason or the other, will then be verified using the photographs. The BVVK is fitted with a camera. It will be able to take the photograph of the voter and then bring out from its memory the photograph on the register of the voter, which will already be within the system. And then that voter will be verified and then will be allowed to vote.
The newly acquired biometric voter verification kits come with several features, including QR code capability and infrared technology for eye detection, among others, to ensure accurate and secure voter verification during the elections.
Success.
Then capture his biometrics.
Success.
Despite the introduction of the new biometric system, concerns have been raised about its ability to function offline during the election period. However, the Commission maintains that the kits are fully equipped and ready for use, highlighting several features that will support smooth voter verification at all polling stations.
Voter verification machines will operate using the Android system, and they will be offline. They will not be networked. They will be loaded with district data, but per polling station. Therefore, a voter coming to the polling station will be verified for that polling station, or if that voter is within the district, can be verified and informed of the polling station where he or she belongs. But they are not networked, and therefore they will be operating offline, as it were. First of all, are factory charged to ensure that they last for about 10 hours of operation. They are fitted with power banks that will give additional power during the polling process. These power banks are rechargeable and will be charged for the subsequent rounds of elections. As I said, the Commission will be issuing 2 biometric kits per polling station. In the event that one fails, the other one will be on standby.
However, despite the introduction of the new biometric voter verification kits, many concerns still remain, with several questions unanswered regarding voter sensitization, the reliability of the machines, and whether they will sustain the process without glitches, as experienced in previous elections.